In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send auto message on Facebook Marketplace. An auto message is a short reply that goes out instantly when someone contacts you about a listing, so buyers get clear next steps even if you're away from your phone. It helps set expectations, reduces back and forth, and can speed up sales. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, look to the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. In the menu, select Marketplace to enter your buying and selling dashboard. Inside Marketplace, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the upper right. This takes you to your selling tools and preferences. In this view, locate the area labeled What to Sell to access your selling options and related settings for your listings. Now scroll down and find Settings. Tap it to open controls that affect your marketplace experience. In Settings, look for the option that says Set a Custom Message. Tap that and you'll see a text box where you can compose the automatic reply buyers receive when they first message you. Type a message that is friendly, clear, and actionable. For example, "Thanks for reaching out about my listing. I'll reply soon. In the meantime, please let me know your preferred pickup window and general location." You can also mention your typical response time, whether the item is still available unless marked sold, and how you prefer to meet. Keep it concise. Avoid sharing personal information like phone numbers or exact addresses in this automated reply, and save the details for once you've confirmed the buyer is legitimate. When you're happy with the wording, tap Save. Your custom message is now active and will be sent automatically to new inquiries on Marketplace. If you update your inventory or change your availability, come back to the same settings area anytime to adjust the message so it stays accurate. A couple of quick polishing tips before we wrap up. Use plain language and short sentences to make it easy for buyers to skim. Include one clear call to action, such as asking for their availability or whether they want pickup or delivery. And remember, you can still follow up manually with specifics, photos, or pricing clarifications as needed. That's it. You've set up an auto message on Facebook Marketplace, giving buyers instant confirmation and saving yourself time with every new inquiry.